passenger princess.
Nuh-uh.
Why would you say that?
Nuh-uh. That nigga said nuh-uh.
Really? Okay. You gonna follow me or not? I'm supposed to record while I was in here today. You didn't help me. You didn't tell me to record. We went to Total Wine. That's another thing we did today. Where's Total Wine? Rocky, you don't want to eat out of your bowl anymore? Here you go, buddy. It's okay. It's okay. You can eat out the bowl. You don't like this bowl? Rocky, you don't like this bowl? You don't like this bowl? What's the matter? Why you don't want to eat your food? You don't want to eat your food, buddy? Good boy. Come try it. Come try it out, Rocky. Oh, come here. Come here. Come here, Pokebud. You don't like this bowl. You don't like the bowl? Him don't like it? It's not bad. See? Look. It's too big. You don't like the bowl? Rocky, you don't like this bowl? Oh my God. So picky. Okay. Hey, babe. Babe.
Hello.
Baby. See? You hilarious.
Salad course including 3 appetizers. Everything on main course comes in. It includes 5 pastas, 2 cuts. It's a lot of food. Okay?
Yes.
After all of that, desserts are also included. Everything that I told you will be served to you family style. That means you don't have to order anything. Everything will be served to you. You can either say yes or no. And it's all you can eat, so if you like everything, I can get you as much as you want. Sounds good?
Yes.
Okay, so for now I'm going to get some water and I'll check up on about the drinks in a minute. Okay?
Thank you. Oh my God. This is baby's first time. Baby, no. It's telling you what the menu is going to be. It's telling you what you finna get. You finna get everything that's listed here. So we finna start at this. You're going to get that. You're going to get all of this. You're going to get all of this. You're going to get all of that. I don't think you get the lamb. That's specialties. You have to order that special. This stuff. The next page,
So
you're going to get all of
steak
this.
and chicken? Or you just choose?
You can't get, you have to order steak separately. They don't come like that. And then the drinks, they don't come with that. That's what you have to order separately. So everything else, like it's gonna be coming. I'm gonna show you. It's not. This you have to order separate. right? So everything else you're gonna get.
Well, see, that's what I'm saying. This is.
I believe so.
That's the chicken. Right there.
Yeah, then they got that. Something like that.
Yeah, that's steak.
Yeah. So yeah.
Oh shit.
We can get out of this shit. This table gonna be so full, you ain't gonna know what to do. We're gonna eat so good.
What is this?
That's Parmesan cheese, babe. Like, that's Parmesan cheese. Look,
Why ain't nobody in this one?
right now. I know you. Look.
No, because I'm saying.
There's a,
part of it.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Right, baby? We for the grub. Yeah, because we're gonna have to move all that out the way. This right here. But yeah, man. We're gonna come back. So we need to look at the drinks. Why are you talking about? Hurry up. So you want an alcohol drink?
Yeah, let's get it.
Okay. Scotch. You got wine, red wine, white wine, drinks and cocktails, switching, strawberry. You know, I'm a tequila girl. Where you get tequila at? Yeah, first on the way back. Spirits. So what? I mean, that's a shot or something? I'm assuming that's a shot. Where is tequila? Oh, it's on the last page. So you gotta look. Okay, reposado. So you gotta look at this one right here. It's right here.
Oh, special cocktail.
I think I had. We had.
The Italian margarita.
Where is that? You see that, at, man?
Oh, yeah.
Ay. Oh, the lemon. You know I love lemon.
Texas.
I forgot what I got last time.
Get the
Italian
Italian margarita.
margarita. Silver. Amaretto. Got the amaretto in there. It's gonna be good. Then you got just a regular one. But yeah. Yeah, I want to go to Mexico just to go to like a tequila place.
Went to a damn festival. Yeah,
I didn't. I didn't want to go. That's what I said. That's what we're getting, baby.
Mm-hmm.
The Italian margaritas, 2 Italian margaritas. Yeah, because it got that. Yeah. It's gonna be good.
Let's see what this is about.
Red Baby's first reaction to the soup. We're gonna record your hand. Let's see what you think. What you think?
Nice broth.
Yep.
That's good.
Yeah.
It's good.
Yeah. I agree.
Okay. All right, come on, baby, eat.
Potato salad. Homemade lemon vinaigrette.